Now, if you're wondering whether better of a barbell rows is better than that pulldowns for building muscle and developing your back and also your upper parts of your muscle, such as your traps and also your rear delts, you come to the right place. My name is Sour, welcome to Just Barbell. Now the thing is, many people believe barbell row is actually better at developing your lats and your back purely because you're in a row position. Now, I personally disagree with this. There's many variations that you can do with the lat pull down, such as tight grip, wide grip, and even standard grip that help target different parts of the back primarily more. So there's different parts of the different parts of the back muscle that can be targeted, such as your rear delts more, or your lats more, or just your overall back if you want to do a standard pull-up. Now, a wide grip pull-up helps target your lats more. That's a very good workout to do purely if you want to strengthen your lats and target them very specifically. Whereas barbell rows, it doesn't have as many variations. You can do tight grip, you can do wide grip there, but I believe the standard is just a normal barbell row. There's nothing more to it, which is completely fine. But I believe lat pull down has many more variations, making it a much more ideal workout. Purely because you're not going to get bored from it, you're going to get more. You can do a lot more workouts because there's more variations to it, meaning that you can target different parts of the back specifically. Whereas barbell rows, you're just still working on the overall back. Now, the thing is. Barbell rows are good for isolations for the lats. However, there's still many other workouts that you can do. Now, some people also say that barbell rows is also good for better than pull-ups and chin-ups for targeting the lat, purely because it isolates the lats. Now, I actually agree with this as well. I believe depending on what you want to work on, I believe one workout is better for the other workout. But overall, depending on what your goals are, depending on what you're trying to target, I believe certain workouts are better for certain things. Now, if you're trying to target the lats specifically, barbell rows would be an amazing workout to do. Almost better than lat pull down, to be honest. I would even say better than lat pull down if you're purely trying to target the lats. Purely because you're in a row position, you can do more reps, you can do more sets, and it's a bit more comfortable. Lat pull down is because you always have to put yourself seated down, and it's a bit uncomfortable in terms of your foot in position and the fact that you have to have a pad on your lat, like you have to fit your legs under the adjustment when you actually pull it down without you raising up. So it's a bit of an issue. Not only that, you can definitely go to a failure for both. That's the good thing about both is that you can definitely go to failure, and there's much more variations. The only issue that I have with barbells is having to put the weights back, to be honest. Whereas with lat pull down machines, you can just adjust the weights quite easily. You can come off, come back on. Whereas barbell rows, you always have to change the plates, which is going to be just a bit inconvenient. At the same time, when it comes to the actual workout itself, I'll definitely say overall lat pull downs would be a much more ideal machine to use or just exercise to do, purely because you can target different variations with the lats, different variations with the back, and you can also work on your rear delts, your traps, and just your overall back. There's many different variations that you can do that make it much more entertaining and keep you more motivated within the gym and within your exercises as well. The studies actually show that it does feel like barbell rows do encourage you to target the lats much better than pull-ups and also chin-ups. Studies actually suggest otherwise, that there's actually not much of a correlation. In conclusion, I'll definitely say if you're looking to develop the lats to a high degree, you do the workouts that fit best with your form. If you have better form doing barbell rows better than chin-ups or pull-ups or even lat pull-downs, then if you're trying to develop your lats, you should definitely do barbell rows. Whereas if your best form is with lat pull-downs or chin-ups or pull-ups, you should do chin-ups and pull-ups. If I was good at all workouts and I didn't have any issues with any of them, I'll do chin-ups and pull-ups purely because it's free weight. I can do them anywhere, and if it's in my best form, I can always do more reps, I can always do more sets. And the good thing about chin-ups and pull-ups is that I can actually add weight. I can get a weighted vest, but even though it's a bit costly, it's going to be worth it. I can do it at home, I can do it whenever I want. I can do it in the gym as well, so it's a good thing. And I can always practice as well, which is a great thing as well. So what's most important for you to do is to find out which one's best for you, choose which one is best for your form as well, and which one feels most comfortable. The only issue that I would have with barbell rows is that sometimes if you're lifting an extremely heavy weight, your form's going to have to be much more correct. Beginners will struggle a bit more with barbell rows than they would with pull-ups and with chin-ups and with lat pull-downs. Lat pull-down is quite self-explanatory to get your form correct. However, some people still do tend to make the mistake sometimes, but nowhere near as much as barbell rows. Because some big times people just don't bend it over as much and they don't keep their back straight. If you want to know more about best workouts to do when it comes to back, stay tuned for my back video. Or just watch the video right here. Hope you guys liked the video. Overall, like I said, conclusion, that fits best with your form and you perform the best. Yeah, just switch it up with it. However, I would say switch it up every maybe 3 months, every month or two, purely because you don't want to get too comfortable doing the same workouts day in and day out, unless you're increasing the weight. If you increase the weight, that's completely fine. However, if you're looking to get bored, if you're still getting bored, or if you're wondering, oh, why are you making as much progress as you were last week or the week before, then I'll definitely say just switching up your workout might increase that, and it will even encourage growth within the muscles. Cool. Hope you guys liked the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And peace. Stay well.